beloved, in the deep watch of the night, the king calls for readiness. Do not let your fire go out while you wait for the bridegroom. Keep your lamp full and your heart expectant for his arrival. The king hides his face in the hungry and the broken. True faith is measured not by words, but by the mercy we show to the least. When you serve them, you are serving the king himself. In a quiet room, the old covenant meets the new. The king breaks the bread and pours the wine, offering his own life as the ultimate sacrifice to bridge the gap between God and man forever. The battle for humanity is won in the garden of surrender. Amidst the shadows of the olive trees, the son chooses the Father's cup over his own comfort, paving the way for our total redemption. Betrayed for 30 pieces of silver, the king is led away like a lamb to the slaughter. He refuses the sword of men because he is focused on a victory that can only be won through the cross. Nature itself mourns as the Creator is lifted up. In the darkness of Golgotha, the price is paid and the veil is torn. Access to the Father is now wide open for every soul who looks to the Son. The world believes the story has ended in a tomb. A stone is rolled, a seal is set, and a guard is placed. But silence is only the prelude to the greatest breakthrough in human history. Death cannot hold him. The earth shakes as the king shatters the grave. The empty tomb is the eternal proof that sin is defeated, and the power of life has won the ultimate final victory. All authority belongs to the risen Christ. He sends us out to the nations with the promise of his presence. Go in his power, for the king who conquered death is with you until the end of the age.